Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na this particular assembly me try say minya audio no na mabo ba ode afansa ode mesre won foni na etwego mu screen so no entire aye produce e wa broche. If you want to support us, if ohwe ejuma na aye no we need you na opese o supporting her, it's very easy. Go into the description box and click on the link you see over there. Obe say atare no ebe ma landing page bia ne boofo obetumi enye bi ato we Ghana ha na nka be 50 cedis ntino ne boofo mesremo oya ne sa ye ne beje uwie so subscribe na click notification bell ne so no and the dial screen so sisi ano etie for yan konsem ni mu now em say ensem aba etwegu especially Reverend Usubempa any American income share nan say se member word bi ya na send your comment box in crofo ebe bombechi no enye easy nti mesremo ya na mo de ache kakra I am not me nyu obi amega say bia okay anyway that's just by the way that's for another day yan konsem ni mu now I am saying say Reverend Usubempa is hitting Reverend Usubempa is hitting hard on a lot of people who criticized him or in a way insulted him for incommissioner wobeshe ya ambemuno eye America baton commissioner sisi ano hia last me bebo audio betrayal Reverend Usubempa say wobae ebebodua endran so audio bi trending na audio na trending no Reverend Usubempa edi atem in a way say atemdidie ni bikra aka John Dramani Mahama na host no catch Reverend Usubempa say na Mahama so aye o de na wudi na tem no we quote Bible wo chere say Bible mu kra Jesus Christ kra edidi nkrofo atem asofo bi nso edi ahemfo bi atem e wo Bible mu ntisi wo di Mahama atem a enye anything new na you see it's rather unfortunate say that particular audio is the property of a radio station. I'm say Kingdom FM. Say they stand to be corrected. I don't have their authorization to play the audio on this platform, but we can actually talk about it. Say open audio neti and some Reverend Usubempa kan efa Mahama hu edi Mahama temwa. Me boss watch ba wanga san so pese wutie pa social media or they just type Reverend Usubempa insults Mahama. Obe hu say em say Kingdom FM omo a video actually it will come up so you guys will listen to it. Me assure say mo amutie me kra no nkofo bebre na mo ate because I've seen people talk about it. Inti me assure say mo kra mo ate say Reverend Usubempa will di Mahama temba unte ya asema Reverend Usubempa kan no em say na wo kase tia Mahama no na host me catch and say hey Mahama ye former president o asema Reverend Usubempa kan say former president my foot they were kind no o say former president my foot now wo wie ye no na wo sha say wo di Mugabe Mase atem because ye nim say Mugabe Mase wo no they were supporting NDC and Mahama inti no wo wie no ka say sebe Mahama enhu nyansa se onu Mugabe Mase di wo no Reverend Usubempa atem no Mahama enhu nyansa se won country Mugabe se Mugabe njaya na nti in a way no Mugabe atemdidi a wo di wo no Reverend Usubempa atem no Reverend Usubempa esan so e dey sign Mahama kon but dey share Mahama kon because o say eya na Mugabe ekokosra Mahama na se Mugabe ekokosra Mahama wo hu nyansa so be ka che Mugabe say jai Reverend Usubempa atemdidi na wo di no so these are the things that Reverend Usubempa wo kan a say wo di Mahama atem because asema wo kan my foot ne kra no obi betumi aka say nya atemdidi that one obetumi aka say nya atemdidi depending on what you see but wo ka che ni bako ne say wo hu nyansa say won kan ni bako ne say won jai ne de na che say ni bako no indirectly o person say we jimi if he is allowing someone to insult you person say we jimi so I just want us to address these issues the person here na ye address the issue we na ye hwe the other now me say Reverend Usubempa audio no I said something make I say no we share the constant blame and attack on Mahama from Reverend Usubempa personally I feel say John Dramani Mahama why Reverend Usubempa bibi that's what I think I feel say why ni bibi a ahye na kumemu acha still as a want to be fan channel, because for me, I am seeing this even beyond the normal. Let me give you an example. Currently, Osha Senya Chema want to me or blast Mahama, it on also ban no be Mahama tembe can wait from my last member Tremo say. Chema want to me the can send me my metia say saying Tiana debia Chema want to me ya wa attack Mahama no. Chema want to me my etia say one no Emra Mahama Tesono no Chema want to me. No to gold. Now gold now no to know. Now a day will make you 1 million Ghana cedis. Just a day. Now was it Mahama? I can say one no Chema want to me and sponsor one no Mahama. Now Mahama am peneno. And that Mahama. No, I say Mahama say Chema want to me and sponsor one no Mahama NDC. Now Chema want to me am peneno and a Mahama ma Chema want to me ne Juma Yeguno. It may can say, well, if what Chema want to me is saying is indeed true, then I understand the constant attack on John Dramani Mahama, because Sebi or no Nambreso and a woman said the nano a year then a bono. It's just like and that some people belonging to Men's Gold our mobile president Akufo-Addo echi. Obeka say president of Akufo-Addo Abreso and Ebian and Noebian abono into Obonechi. In a way, if you really want to understand the person, you understand the person. So for me, no, this is what I'm saying. And yesterday I was even telling a prophet friend. Now me catch madam for be our prophet. Me trying to say, "Wo hwe senya Mahama, eya na Reverend Osuben papa, no wa kan we afa Mahama ho no the way ahye ne kon na o Mahama na ewe, Mahama ne nsa ho moja, Mahama yes amitumi ho ne say dabi. Ase yedi ne bone, ase ya ye ne bibi. Ahye ne mu ache because tie how is it that Mugabe Mase is not a kid? Tio. How is it that Mugabe Mase is not a kid? Now Mugabe Mase in the radio station, so do what and then you decide to blame someone else. I want nothing the baby just because you know say that person is close to Mugabe Mase, and just because you know say that person talks like Mugabe Mase is an NDC personality. Like, guys, are you trying to? For me, that's the point too. You have to say, "One no Reverend Osu tie, or no Reverend Osu mempane krano." Eto de bia ne nkola eba abontin be didi nkrofo atemo a eto de bia wotumi kra ka say, ne nkola no mo ye omo ade. If you try to link, sometimes if you try to link Reverend Osu Bempa to ne nkola na wo mu didi nkrofo atem kra na, na people who support Reverend Osu Bempa ka say dabi ne nkola na nkasa na wo mu take your decision. Inti mamumfa emba me for Reverend Osu Bempa. I don't know whether you guys are understanding the points. It is true Mugabe Mase speaks for NDC and for Mahama. If Mugabe Mase has insulted you and you have a problem with that, then it is between you and Mugabe Mase. Why do you try to link John Dramani Mahama? Woka say Mahama de woni nyansa and the former president your foot. And ye bia in corruption na wo share no Mahama wa ba bonti abekasa wo ho. Mahama mba bonti bekasa. So this constant attack social media on Instagram. Obia, let me tell you, Obia wo ma me hu video no Achipalago on Instagram. Now we share commenter eba. Let me just read some comments for you. So far, womo posti those called Celeste, Achipalago, Zion Felix. Womo nyemwe posti video no. Now we share commenter ewo video na sia. Send yankofo di Reverend Osu Bempa tem nenye easy. Obi commenter wo be pass ye wo se wono fact say wono ni ba kono won vote Emma Mahama. But say wo sofo pan wo di Mahama tem say he is very disappointed. As someone will be back kind of now. Let me just read some comments. Very derogatory comments, oh. Very derogatory comments. People are insulting Reverend Osu Bempa just because he's trying to link Mahama to this. You see, it's just like Embrana Reverend Osu Bempa Mebao. It's just like Embrana Reverend Osu Bempa. I don't know whether Zion Felix posted it, but maybe Achipalago there. It's just like Embrana Reverend Osu Bempa kwa sorry Wokohu Mahama. Wako Chiana Mahama aid ampene. Once a honor Reverend Osu Bempa the first reaction or because say oh no dear Mahama nankasa etnenensa say anka Reverend Osu Bempa mbrambe chiano na ni aid no ampene no Mahama etia ni aid no later Yehwe ya ne say Reverend Osu Bempa Sanso to radio so blame Mahama for that particular act. E wona Ghana forecast say Reverend Osu Bempa. One udi kan go ka say Mahama de wonim hwe wasem ne ho. Afei Osanso e de hye ne kon. So for me, all these things me who said that it goes beyond politics. Personally, that's what I see. I see say no, it goes beyond politics. I see say no. I say Mahama I hear Reverend Osu Bempa Bibi. Because that's the only way I can try to understand the constant attack on John Dramani Mahama from Reverend Osu Bempa. Nobody way nipa ye way hey June 3rd ewu ankofu bewu ye de she Mahama kon. But papa ye nkasa no waye kom emisata wo ne de ahye ne kon wankasa atamius wo ne de ahye ne kon. Mama Matia says it is only in this country NDC executive yana NDC penyi bi wo eye Mahama. Now so NPP penyi bi wo dia ye fan show bia. It is only in this country called Ghana. But Obibao and Moyanesa, do you think it's fair? Anyway, let me read the comments. Comment is to Unim. If you follow Archipelago on social media, go into the comments, you see a lot of people insulting him. Obi say, how can you insult former president? This is not fair at all. You call yourself a pastor. I just lost respect for you doing that. Obi Asama Wakanono. Obi also say some of these pastors are the reason why most people have stopped going to church. Or better still, most people have stopped believing in God. It is so pathetic. Obviously, you call yourself a man of God. You just, I don't want to play the audio, but the brief in the audio, and I'm a catcher. In some way, I will Mahama. No. You do, baby. Now, host ne class stopping. Or say, Dabi, my main last one. Me, yes, I say, Mumu baby, na mwati munsem. But media, they may kind of say, if you have a problem with Mugabe Masi, it's Mugabe Masi Mahama. Just because you are saying say Mugabe Masi ya no come Mahama honti no, what they share the con how? What tell what your comment box ni mo, me that's it.